Hello kids! Today we will learn how to blend consonant, vowel, consonant sounds to form words, making reading fun and easy. Are you ready to read some three-letter words with me? Okay kids, let's begin. First, we need to say the sound of each letter. Then it's time to blend each letter sound together. Let's start with our first word. Are you ready, kids? Okay, let's start.
Yay!
First word. Ka. T. Once again. Ka. T. Now let's blend them. Cat. Very good kids. Nice blending. Are you ready for the next word? Okay kids. Let's try this next word. Ba. T. Once again. Ba. T. Now let's blend them. Bat. Excellent work. Well done. How about these words? Ha. T. Once again. Ha. T. You know what to do, kids. Let's blend them. Hat.
Yay!
You are doing amazing, kids. Now let's move on the next one. Fa. T. Once again. Fa. T. Now it's time to blend them. Fat.
Yay!
Awesome work. Ra. T. Once again. Ra. T. Now it's time to blend them. Rat.
Yay!
Great job kids. You are amazing.